neutralize incoming threats autonomously, from missiles to drones to even artillery fire. That's the power of AI-powered defense systems. These systems use a combination of sensors, radar, and AI algorithms to identify and eliminate threats in real time, creating an impenetrable shield around critical infrastructure and military bases.
Chapter 8. The Eyes in the Sky AI-driven reconnaissance drones. Drones have revolutionized warfare, and AI is taking them to the next level. AI-driven reconnaissance drones can gather and analyze intelligence data in real time, providing valuable insights into enemy movements, troop deployments, and even potential threats. These drones can operate autonomously, flying over vast areas, collecting data, and relaying it back to command centers, all without putting human pilots at risk.
Chapter 9. Precision Firepower, AI-controlled artillery. Artillery has always been a crucial part of warfare, but AI is making it even more accurate and efficient. AI-controlled artillery systems use advanced algorithms to calculate optimal firing solutions, taking into account factors like wind speed, trajectory, and even the rotation of the Earth. This results in pinpoint accuracy, minimizing collateral damage, and maximizing the effectiveness of artillery strikes.
Chapter 10. Unbreakable Connections, AI-enhanced communication systems. In the heat of battle, communication is key. AI-enhanced communication systems use advanced encryption and machine learning algorithms to ensure secure and efficient communication between troops, command centers, and even different branches of the military. These systems can adapt to changing conditions, jam enemy signals, and even translate languages in real time, keeping lines of communication open and information flowing freely.
And there you have it, folks. 10 secret AI weapons that are revolutionizing military technology. From autonomous drones to AI-powered defense systems, the future of warfare is here, and it's driven by artificial intelligence. These advancements raise important questions about the ethics of AI, autonomous warfare, and the future of conflict. But one thing is for sure, AI is changing the game, and the world will never be the same. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights. See you next time.